little bit early, 5 a.m. start to go out to see and watch some dolphins and sunrise. We're on the fisherman's boat. Are we all excited? Woo! Terrified of the sea. Like, I've got the biggest fear. We're so far out. I'm probably gonna have a panic attack. I won't lie. We're about to snorkel, but I've never snorkeled before and I can't breathe. This is going to be interesting. The sea is so clear, so you can literally see like down there. So hopefully I won't get eaten by a shark. Snorkeling, babes! I'm going to try and snorkel, but I literally don't know what I'm doing. Honey pancakes by the pool. We are. I can't even take this seriously because my face. Oh my god! This is the outcome of the sunset. We always seem to get clouds behind it. We're now checking out the room. Our next stop is Tianya, which is our voluntary camp. So, yeah, we're going to Tianya, which is the volunteering camp, and then on the way, I think we're going to get waterfall. I don't know if I said that right. But yeah, this is the hotel. Cute little Balinese hotel. This is the waterfall. Green Coca-Cola because you've got chocolate. What have you got? Mojito. This is our food place. We have arrived at our accommodation and luckily I'm with Harriet. Thank God. These are the beds and then the bathroom through there. Someone's already there but I don't know who it is.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
cry. Oh, bye. Oh, did you get my vlog? Bye. Bye. So I'm at the volunteering camp now. We are making these like coral reef things to go in the sea. So I'll show you like what you do. First you've got to like dig holes in the soil and then they're making cement over there and then you fill up the cement and then you make these like cool things like this. And then it helps the coral reefs in the sea over there. What's the magic word?
Underwater, that's what something. So when you dive, take like a laminated letter or like a waterproof thing.
Oh yes. This is alive. Oh wow. Oh, it's a big mirror. Megan, look at the bath. Wow. My days, we've literally got our own little villa. Oh my god. Wow.
Stop it.
What are the actual?
Right, I'll go here, guys.
There's a mirror over there. Living luxury life. It's our second course of breakfast. Why are we here? Oh my god, it's actually unreal. This is our third meal. So I thought I'd update you real quick on what's happened. So basically, I was at a volunteering camp and I've now left. I'm in Canggu now, so I was at the top. Oh my god, is that a fly? I was at the top. I was in Tianya at the top of the island volunteering for this like marine conservation thing. And I feel like I basically got scammed because I thought I was going to be in the sea, but I ended up just digging holes in the ground and putting cement in the holes. But I thought I was in the sea, and if you wanted to go in the sea, you had to pay an extra £300 to do like a scuba diving course. But I thought that was included, so I wasn't doing what I thought I was going to be doing at the volunteering, and I just wasn't feeling it. And then there was loads of like stray dogs there, so we'd be like eating our food on the table, and these stray dogs would come on the table and like itch themselves, and like these little bugs and like stuff would like fall off the dogs while we're eating, and they kept like licking us, and they're just like full of diseases and stuff. There was no aircon in our room, so it was just like you was just sweating when you was asleep. Like, it was just horrible. And I think I'm just a girl, like a luxury girl, do you know what I mean? So I did a day of it. I did a day of building cement to go in the sea, and then in the afternoon I tried to do a bit of teaching, but I literally stood in front of a class and said, hello, my name's Megan, you know, and they just stared at me. I didn't know what I was going on about, so I thought, you know what, like, this life just isn't for me. Like, I tried it, I tried to help, and I was like, I can't do it. So I messaged the company guy that I was with and just said, I don't think this is for me, and I just want to go around travelling. So he got us a free taxi, so there's 3 of us that's gone down to Canggu for 2 nights, and we're staying in this really nice villa, and then 2 nights back in Ubud, and then we've got the last weekend in Gili Islands the last weekend. So we've got a nice fun week planned. I'll show you where we're at now. It's really gorgeous, and I'm trying to catch a tan because I'm still not tanned. Like, I'm still not tanned. I've been here for like over a week and I'm still not tanned, so I'll show you where we're at now. So we've got our own pool. I'm just trying to film you guys. We've got our own little pool section. How cool? How cool is that? We're only here for, we stayed last night, and then we've got tonight as well. Oh, these, I'm just gonna look disgusting on all these videos. But yeah, very Instagrammable location. This is the life. Getting escorted with an umbrella. Wow, what is this place called? Penny Lane. Penny Lane, wow, look at this. I've got the Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian.
Why is mine spicy?
Kim Kardashian.
Why is it spicy?
Spicy. Let me have another sip of mine. Mine's just a little bit white.
Oh, quite nice actually.
I want to wait until my other drink is.
We're checking out the hotel now and going back to Ubud. We've got another nice villa booked, so I'll show you that when we get there. Goodbye, beautiful villa. Wow, made it back to the smoothie place. Wow. Currently can't afford our meal. We've run out of money and we can't pay.
Extra cost for the plate? How much? Yeah, for 100.
This is the pool to the next place. Got a floating breakfast in the room. Oh my god. Thank you. Luxury living. We are at Bali Zoo. I'm about to feed some elephants with this food. It's exciting. Hi.
Yep.
Wow. Oh my god. Hi. We are now bathing Adele, the elephant. But we've got to cover our legs in case we get bit. Oh my gosh.
It's a dog stand behind it.
Oh my god. Wow.
This is the flies, I mean.
How did you catch a fly?
Wow.
See? These flies suck the blood of elephant.
Hi guys. What we have woken up to this morning. We're off to Gili Islands. Beach babe. We've arrived at our last little hotel thing. It's so cute. It's so pretty. We found another smoothie bowl place in Gili. We've made it to the beach, but looks like it's gonna thunderstorm. Well, this is what I'm wearing tonight, but my tan lines make me look like I've got a white top.
You guys ready?
Yeah. We made it for the sunset and the swings. Cheers! It's our last day. How are we feeling about that? My toe hurts. Yeah. We went out last night. We just got a bit messy. Get tetanus and die.
So cool.
Yeah, Harriet sat on an actual nail in a butt cheek.
My bum.
Yeah. But yeah, we ended up meeting a few people on the beach, and we ended up skinny dipping in the sea. So that was really fun. And now we're off to see some turtles. We're off to hopefully see some turtles and some statues in the sea. But we've got to use flippers, right? We've got to use these like flipper things, and I've never done that before. So see how this goes down. That's really cool. Can't see anything. This is not good. The turtle's literally just chilling there. It's so cool. So I was swimming with the turtles, and then I forgot how to swim, and I panicked, and I thought I was going to drown. So I had to shout for a boat to come and get me. This is a real beach babe. Like, this is me, because I can't swim. So everyone looks like beach babes, and I'm here in this. Look my knife. How cute is this place we're at? To eat at brunch. So pretty.
Yeah, no, half an hour ago, so we're gonna get that.
Stella's breakfast by the beach. Oh, we are now leaving Gili Islands, getting on the boat soon.
Can we go now?
Bye! Say bye.
Chocolate all over my mouth.
Bye!
Bye!
Okay, go. Bye! Tulang Bali.